Alright guys, today I want to do a quick video about actually how to upgrade the 7727 engine with lights, because out of the box it doesn't come with any installed lights. So here's the engine, and I'm going to be putting a light in the boiler right here, and then I'm going to be also upgrading these two backlights with a light prism. I won't be putting a light in the front because it will change the shape of the train too much, and I don't really like that. So in addition to the engine, I've of course got the 7861 lighting set. So I'm going to be honest, I never actually upgraded this set with lights before, because I've only owned this for a couple of days, but I am fairly confident I know how to do it. So first, let's take some parts off. All right, yeah, I'm gonna have to access those the motor holes down there, because that's where the lighting is actually gonna get plugged in. I don't think I want to take those hoses off. So now we can begin working on the lighting system. Oh, and I have to take the back off as well. So these parts back here are coming out because I'm going to replace it with a light prism. So let me take a light prism now. The prism holder, I'll snap the light prisms in, and then I'll upgrade it with some red lights from here. I don't need to replace the light in front because there's already a white light in there. So there's the light prism. I'm going to have to take this plate off because it will prevent the light brick from going in. Now I'll need two of these cables. And then, of course, the most important part, the two light bricks. So one of these is going to go in back, one of them is going to go in the boiler. And both of them are going to have to get plugged into the engine. So I think I can plug the front one in like this. And this will sit right here behind the boiler light. So replace the boiler pieces, and then the second light I'll put in now as well. So that one should probably go in with the plugs facing the part of the plugs facing the top, and then I'm going to plug this cable into the backlight. Yeah, so that has to plug into the backlight, and then I'll plug these two cables in to the bottom. So you can see one of them's plugged in now. And then I can install this light right here. So now these extra cables, I'll just tuck them into the boiler. I know it's not a very good job of it, but it will do. And then I can replace all of the boiler parts. And now it's ready to go. I just have to replace all of these parts. I'll replace the rear black windows, of course. And the smokestack. It's almost ready. I'm gonna have the engineer actually stand on the light brick, because the plate that he's supposed to stand on, I took that out because the light brick needed space. I need to install this slope, and I've just got a couple more pieces to do. And I'm gonna show the train running with the light after I finish putting it all together. I'll show it at the night as well. That will be pretty cool, I think. So there are the slopes, and then the roof slope. So you see now that the train is actually upgraded with lights, and there's no noticeable difference. You can see it's still the light in the front of the boiler, but I mean, there's light in there, but there's no real difference. And then the only slight difference in the back is that you can see it's a 1x6 brick instead of the two headlight bricks in the 1x4. So now I'm going to show the train running with the lights, which I think will look pretty cool. Now I'll turn the lights off and you guys can see it at night. This will be a little bit hard to see because my phone is really bad at recording night shots. I still have an iPhone 7. You can see a little bit of the backlights. Definitely the front light. That looks pretty cool, I think. The light does leak out of where the hose is in the boiler a little bit. Let's see if I can get a close-up to the train as well. Alright guys, that was it for today. Just a short video showing the lights in the 7727. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm going to have a lot more content coming soon, so make sure to subscribe and stay updated.